Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing of this new iPhone 12 and 12 Pro silicon case, which is also MagSafe compatible. So yes, I directly ordered it from Apple India website and this costed me 4,900 rupees. So there are multiple colors available like Capri Blue, you can go for product red, and this is a color which is called Amethyst. So in this video we're going to check out the packaging, which directly comes through Blue Dart. As you can see, this is how the package looks like, and this got delivered to me 5-10 minutes back. So in this video I just wanted to do a proper unboxing of this case, and also I have ordered an iPhone 12 which is in purple color. So I think this Amethyst silicon case looks really good and goes excellent with the kind of case that I have ordered. So let's just check out the case. So as you can see, this is how this comes with Critical Express delivery, and it is being delivered with Blue Dart courier. So I have a knife over here, so let's just do the unboxing. Alright guys, so within this package we have one more pack which have all my address details. I'm just trying to hide it over here, and as you can see, this is how the packaging looks like. Let me also try to remove this. Let's see whether we can remove it. Alright guys, so within this we have our case, I think so. As you can see guys, this is the invoice which also got delivered, and this is the cover itself. So as you can see, this is how the cover looks from the outside. As you can see, it's mentioned here it is compatible with iPhone 12 and 12 Pro lineup, and it's a silicon case which is also MagSafe compatible. Now if we take a look at the back side of the box, as you can see, all the details are mentioned over here, starting from the price of the cover, which is 4,900, and also some other of details are mentioned over here. So let me just quickly try to open this, and let's see how we can open this. I don't need to use a knife as of now, so I think so let's see. Alright, it's very easy. So let me just open this box, and once you open the box, these are the content that you get. So here are some paperwork, so as you can see, which I'm going to keep it aside, and here we have our nicely wrapped Apple silicon case. So let me just take it aside. As you can see, we'll come back to this later, and this is a kind of pamphlet kind of a thing which has nothing. So let me keep all these things aside, and let me also remove this cover, and let me show you the quality of this cover. So this is a MagSafe compatible silicon case. As you can clearly see, it has a magnetic kind of a symbol and a ring kind of a thing, and as you can see, this cutout is exactly goes well with 12 and 12 Pro as of now. So this is made for iPhone 12, which is of 6.1 inches of iPhone. So I have an iPhone 10R over here, but I won't be putting the case into this iPhone because it is not compatible. In the next video probably you're gonna see the iPhone 12 unboxing. I've ordered the iPhone 12 in purple color, so I will also show in that video how this iPhone silicon case, which is also a MagSafe compatible case, goes well with iPhone 12 purple color. And so in this video I just wanted to show you the cover and the Apple packaging. How does it look exactly, what is the quality of the cover, and let me just talk a little bit about the quality of the cover. It's actually very nice. The quality feels really good. As you can see, the cutouts are very proper from the sides and from the bottom as well, and also we have a very good material which is used to make this silicon case. That's it for this video guys. I just wanted to do an unboxing and wanted to show you, and also as I said before, this cost you around 4,900, and also there is one more option which is called a leather variant which is available, which costs you 1,000 more, 5,900. But since I ordered the purple iPhone, which I got at very good deal, I ordered it from Flipkart on Big Billion Days, I wanted to try out the new Apple 12 and 12 Pro lineup silicon case, which is also a MagSafe compatible case. So then again, that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're new here, do consider subscribing to the channel. That would mean a lot. And with that being said, I will see you on the next video. Bye.